Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Quiz World. IQ questions for kids. Before video started, subscribe my channel and press bell icon, like and share this video. Have you subscribed to my channel? If not, please do so to enjoy such entertaining videos. Guess the logo in 5 seconds. Guess the logo. It's Pepsi drink logo. Guess the brand logo. It's Pringles chips logo. Guess the app logo. It's Snapchat logo. Guess the app logo. It's a YouTube. Guess the coffee shop logo. It's a Starbucks logo. Guess the fast food brand logo. It's McDonald's logo. Guess the chat logo. It's WhatsApp. Guess the logo. It's Google. Guess the logo. It's a Shell logo. Guess the car logo. It's Tesla logo. Guess the fast food logo. It's Domino's. Guess the movies app logo. It's Netflix. Guess the cartoon channel logo. It's Marner Bros. Guess the car logo. It's Ferrari logo car brand. Guess the shoes brand logo. It's Nike. Guess the logo. It's Louis Vuitton. Guess the logo. It's Reddit logo. Guess the logo. It's Mert AI logo. Guess the brand logo. It's Android logo. Guess the app logo. It's a Pinterest logo. Before video started, subscribe my channel and press bell icon watching more interesting videos.